candles or hang up the signs, and don't circle the dates or toast with the wine. But today I stopped and thought of you and all the quiet things you always do. You don't ask for praise or need a parade. You just give your all every single day. So even if I don't celebrate the way most people do, I just wanna take a moment and say this to you. Happy Mother's Day for all the love you show, for the sleep you lost, the dreams you let go. You gave the best of yourself, come what may. So from my heart to yours, Happy Mother's Day. I've seen the strength it takes to smile through the pain, to be the calm in someone else's rain. You've held the world together with your hands and still made room for others to stand. You don't wear a crown, but you should someday, for the love you give in your own quiet way. So even if I don't celebrate the way most people do, I just wanna take a moment and say this to you. Happy Mother's Day for every hug and tear, for the way you show up year after year. You gave the best of yourself, come what may. So from my soul to yours, Happy Mother's Day. It's not about flowers or cards on display. It's about the love that you give away. Even if I don't celebrate with ribbons or gold, this wish comes from a place deep and bold. Happy Mother's Day for all that you are, a guiding light, a northern star. You gave the best of yourself every day. So in my own way, I say Happy Mother's Day.